Yeah, now I can.
Live stream is on.
Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mr.
Good morning,
Nicholas.
everyone. Yes,
Yeah. We it's it's Wednesday. It's Wednesdays.
it's Wednesday.
Uh, October 7th today.
Oh, October
Yeah.
8th, October 8th.
Yeah. October 8th today, and pick up price. Some of the altcoin we. It looks like we are slowly moving to the altcoin season from now until the end of the year 2025. Yeah. We see a lot of good news. We see Bitcoin price go up in the weekend, and especially some of the altcoin, some BNB, some of mm, the altcoin beside Bitcoin when the Bitcoin hit the new ADS 126,000. Yeah, now it's had a correction back to 121,000. Yeah, and let me share the slide today. We have some good news about the slide. Yeah, the title today is about the Bitcoin could hit the 644,000 based on the gold 4,000 milestone. Yeah, we see the gold price today. Gold hit the 4,000. A, a lot of is based
Wow,
on the year.
gold is hitting 4,000 for the first time.
Yeah,
Wow. So
that's
this is
why.
something that very hard to imagine for a few years ago,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. I few years ago, I still remember we also discussed about the gold. Some trader say that, oh, I don't believe in gold. I don't believe in Bitcoin. I only trust in gold. And if you still keep investing in gold, you also can get a profit. Here's here's a news from USA Today. Yeah, gold future trading at the 4,006,
Wow.
and here's a gold bar. It's a price gold hit 4,000 per ounce in Shanghai. We also can do the DCA with the gold token on the exchange. Yeah, to get it. I still remember beginning of this year.
Yeah.
We also can say, oh, keep the DCA in gold when the gold price around 2008. Yeah, here at this moment, keep DCA now is go to the 4,000. Yeah, it's a good move. Yeah, if we um, have the ability to do the DCA daily in some of the asset, especially some of the good asset you think is a potential like the gold, Bitcoin, and some of the good altcoin. Yeah, of course we will have the reward. Back to the slides with the in the article. Let me see. It's an article. It say that let me say. It say the gold gained 50% this year. Yeah, of course. Because of political uncertainty. One analyst, Bitcoin could reach 644,000. I also don't know how he can make up this the number. Yeah, but I think it's probably because last time in the Telegram and some of the social network, I also see a lot of mm, a lot of uh, people expect that the gold price could hit the gold could hit that price. The Bitcoin price could hit too. How do you think about this news, Mr.
All right.
Nicholas?
So yeah. So the title of this is basically saying Bitcoin could go to 644,000 based on gold's $4,000 milestone. So to me, the way I read this title, this headline is that 4,000 gold to reach 4,000 is it was like nearly impossible a few years ago, right? So everybody
Yeah,
was like, in our mind we are thinking 2000 is already too high, you know what I mean. Yeah.
yeah,
So when gold reached 2000, everyone was like, oh, it actually reached 2000, so so when it reached 3000, we were like, what, 3000 really, so now they reached 4000. 4000 is like, hey, it's double of 2000. Yeah. So if we can reach 2000 times 2, then Bitcoin could reach, okay, maybe 644,000 sounds a bit far-fetched, but today Bitcoin is 120,000, right? So if 120,000 can go like times 2, of course it'll be like 240,000. That is not impossible, in fact, that is according to the trajectory of how we are expecting the price to move towards. Yeah. So in fact, in fact, from another perspective, from 2016 or 17, when Bitcoin reached 20,000 at the time,
yeah,
it reached 20,000 from a point of just maybe, I don't know how much. I forgot how much. It was very low price before it climbed in a very short time to 20,000. But
yeah,
after 20,000, the second round of move, it moved from below 20, maybe even less, around 10,000, up to 30,000 that time. That's more than 2 times, right? That's like
yeah,
3 times the price. Yeah. So for 120,000 price point of Bitcoin today, for it to move 3 times, 2 to 3 times, 3 times that will be 600 over thousand,
no,
or
for
three
I
times
think
that will be
for
360,000.
time,
Yeah, that for 600,000, that's like 4 times. Yeah. So
yeah,
for it to
for
move twice, 3 times, or 4 times, that is
yeah,
uh, that is not impossible. But of course, that will depends how the economy is moving, how the whales are moving, how the whales are splashing. Yeah. So uh, we are hopeful. If we were to go back to the rainbow chart, right? So rainbow chart, there's always a uh, higher ceiling and a lower resistance level. Yeah. So if we look at the rainbow chart, it's not impossible for it to move to 644,000 also. Yeah. So from there we can expect that uh, plus plus minus minus around there, the price could reach somewhere between 240,000 to maybe in between the. I'll just string it down to 240,000 to 440,000, that range. Yeah, because I'm a little bit more reserved in terms of how fast or how high the price could move, and the time frame itself. Yeah. So right now we are in October 8th. We have 3 more months left before 2026. Yeah.
yeah,
So 2024 was the halving. 2026 will be the halfway uh, point of the after the halving. Yeah.
yeah,
So and if we look at the chart and look at the pattern of the chart, we should be all right in terms of the price movement. If nothing goes wrong, we should reach maybe by the end of this year, maybe 200. I don't know, 250 at least. I'm not too sure. And maybe by somewhere next year, June or something, maybe it can cross to 300 over thousand. I
Yeah,
hope so.
yeah, of course. Based on the landmark chart and some the history of the Bitcoin, we see after having Bitcoin's triple or five times uh,
Yeah,
uh, from the halving, yeah, price with the price example 2018, yeah, Bitcoin price at uh, 20,000, yeah, and with the halving at that time Bitcoin around 600, yeah, we can imagine it's seven time uh, from yeah 6 to 7 times after the halving, and now from and again in 2020 to 2022, yeah, Bitcoin price when the halving around 6,000, and the top at the halving is around 70,000, yeah, from 6,000 to 70,000, also 7 times to 10 times, and now also we also hope that it could reach 3 to 5 times, because yesterday I still remember asked, I asked the AI, and the AI's and the AI replied that it's good reach 3 to 5 times. Yeah, now we try to check with the on the Telegram. I still remember on the Telegram. Let me go to the Telegram to chat to ask this uh, how how far Bitcoin price could this year 2025. Uh, uh, oh, Bitcoin is no answer. I also don't remember. I don't know why it's still a good decision. It's don't answer the. Okay, so never mind. We carry on to the next part. Oh, why we cannot see on the screen? Okay, here.
Uploading.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Based on the data on the market cap, let me see the market cap here. News about the news here. View on. We also see so many news so far, like BlackRock, like potential, like big, like US agree to do the Bitcoin Reserve Treasury. Bitcoin Reserve Treasury is have been approved. Yeah. Now we see BlackRock Bitcoin ETF approach 100 billion milestone in a record time. This means that BlackRock is one of the biggest in investment institution, and and they reached the milestone of the investor inflow money. Um, here's the article. Yeah. Oh, we must open the article in somewhere here. The Bitcoin funds I share, and here here's the article with the information a lot. So we uh, let's see how I can use the that's that's data here. Here's the information, and I remember yesterday I can try something on the market cap. Yeah, just ask. the common cap AI to answer something for us. But where is this now? Uh, dark, maybe we can log in. Get this here. Don't have this. Copyright job. And because a lot of news and information from the market today, yeah, with some tool, it can do the filter for us. Yeah, summary with the common cap AI here. Oh yeah, here Bitcoin is oh where is here Bitcoin live a wave institutional adoption and a payment integration while flirting with the new highs. Here the latest headline: ETF inflow flip Bitcoin on 6 October. Spot Bitcoin ETF outspent the ETH production, signaling renewed international reference. BlackRock ETF nears 100 billion. Yeah, just now. Smart Pay acquisition expand BTC use. We saw AI integrates Bitcoin to the retail payment across Latin America. And here's a deep dive into the news. Just now, we just say the headline, and the deep dive is overview. Smart Bitcoin ETF record 1.19 billion in the net inflow October 6, and led by the BlackRock IBIT. And BlackRock ETF nears 100 billion. Um, iShare Bitcoin Trust reached the 96.2 billion in asset under management on a track record. What mean? This is a neutral to bullish for Bitcoin, while IBIT validate BTC appeal nominal. And here's the news about the Smart Pay acquisition expand BTC use. This means that moderately bullish for Bitcoin because it expands real-world utility in the high-low market. However, BTC Low here is a secondary to stablecoin for the settlement. In here's this coin market cap is make the latest news is summarized for us. Yeah. Uh, Here's asked. We also can ask how uh, uh, what the price Bitcoin was the price of BTC in the end of 2025. We don't have the we don't have the credit, so it's not it don't allow us to here's credit gain for additional credit register here earlier set free. Uh, Never mind. This information is all around here. This is summarized. Top only this. Oh, we also can ask something here, but it say that we need
You need to
uh
sign up.
need the cyber credit here. I also don't know. We rather specialize the pro. Yeah, it's okay, but now what the change, why the market down? We also can ask the previous question, but they ask us to sign up. Let's see how we can do the sign up to log in.
I'm beginning to think in terms
Yeah,
of AI, right? So
yeah,
not too long ago, a few years ago, someone said that the trillionaire will be from the AI industry. You know, so I really believe that. You know why? Because as AI becoming more advanced, and as information becoming more accurate, and as machine learning becoming much more better, you know.
Yeah.
So for us to want to ask something today, like for example, they say, oh, please log in, buy some credit in order to ask. Maybe if you ask one, need to ask one question, you have to pay 1 or 2 credits in order to get an
Yeah.
answer. You know, so so many if because we have like 7 billion or 8 billion population on Earth, right? If just only maybe just 1 billion of the people on Earth are using AI. Don't even talk about 1 billion. Let's say 500 million people on Earth are using AI to ask question every day. So just one question, maybe you just, okay, let's say one credit to one question. So 500 million for every question, you know,
Yeah.
that is like a lot of money because why? For every day, if I'm going to ask 20 question, that is going to be like how much billion worth, and depending on how much money each credit is worth, you know. So there's we are just sidetracking to this AI thing. Yeah, so it's interesting to think that how technology have come, how far tech have come and AI have come so far, and not to mention when now we are even using AI to do trading, right? Yeah, so uh, in sometime down the road, AI may be even used to estimate price. Even now, we are using it to estimate price because some of this price point estimation comes from what people have said. Because the AI they collect some information of what some big gunners said and expected the price to be. But for the future, this AI will be using in an even deeper intelligence way of deeper level of intelligence to estimate the price instead of just collecting information from what humans have said. Yeah, yeah. So I
Mhm.
think this is very interesting. Yeah. So what this 1,500 breakout attempt? What was that?
Yeah. This is a conclusion from the AI.
Yeah.
Traders should monitor BNB 1500 breakout term. It
So
means that the price of a BNB is can reach
it's about
1500
time.
and then it go down.
I
Yeah.
think it's about time BNB should have this breakout because BNB has gone through quite a lot in the last 10 years, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now it's
The
BNB's
question
time.
I asked is what the trending narrative, and they say that Binance ecosystem, BB chain ecosystem, layer one innovation. This is trending
Yeah.
based on like Solana, BB, the layer one. Yeah. And here's the detail. Deep dive is um, it explained that Binance ecosystem because we have the smart money on a Binance wallet and additional adoption, Grayscale, Solana, ETF, GSOL. I remember GSOL have been listed on the ETF Fasai from Fasai. Fasai equal oh, Fasai. Here's a website to see the ETF. We see now also have the Solana to we uh, we see the inflow money for the Solana also. Yeah, and inflow money for Bitcoin. Mostly from the Bitcoin. A lot of company like BlackRock, we see now. Oh, just now the news we say the BlackRock hit nearly 1 billion inflow. Here we see the 970 million inflow people invest in Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, it's a huge amount for companies. Look like now look like the gold rush, and
Hmm.
this company look like the company they sell the server for the people go to uh, to do rushing of the gold. Yeah, they are the one who get rich, and the people go out there do the trading. They don't care. They just care about they get the commission for the exchange. They get 1%. Yeah, it's enough. That is a strategy. Yeah, and let's see, Milton. You here. Let me share the full screen to see Milton Nicholas. Um, in the beginning, I did not see your camera, Mr. Nicholas, so
Yeah,
I
yeah. It
yeah
was only after a while that I realized, hey, why is my face on the screen blank?
yeah. But
So
okay, now I share the screen, and we also can see. Yeah. Back to our slide. Now it's easy for us to catch up the news with the AI. We can let it do the summarize everything for us. Yeah, but we should be careful to do the research again. Yeah,
yeah,
DYOR. Yeah, and and of course sometimes the news is incorrect from the source new the news source, so we must redo again with some of the news that may bring you the first yeah fear undoubt or uh, first fear uncertain or doubt information. Yeah, so we must be careful with the news. Yeah, and now we have a lot of tools, and then we can use this to make our live stream easier and faster, more leisure, and we can discuss more about the crypto market, about what's happening, why Bitcoin price have a correction, why the market like this, like that, and what is the trend. Yeah, just now we asked the AI, and it say the trend like this. Yeah, and when we see the market is red, people feel worried. Yeah, of course, this one day only. Yeah, here now is a 7 day, um, 7 day. We see the Bitcoin price like this. Um, with some of the altcoin, as the AI say that the trend maybe go on the BNB ecosystem, SOL ecosystem. This season, ETS still moving, and but it's still very low, slow. Yeah, we also hope that it can have uh, mm, some element can bring it better. Yeah, uh, it's and back to our Coreco, we go to do the DCA demo account every week. $10 is quite. Let's see how this one. Yeah. Based on the portfolio demo, we do DCA every week, $10. Yeah. The profits, no, it's still nothing. Yeah. Profits 1,000. I also don't know why it's keep loading and refresh, keep loading and refresh. So I must stop it. Don't let it refresh again. Yeah. Uh, we profit 28.3%. Yeah. Uh, in total, yeah. 24 hours, we lost 8.1%. And today, we just do again the DCA $10 before we complete our live stream. 0.001. sometimes we try to estimate to make it. Yeah, it's okay. Today is repeated by 0.00765. Not so much. Because the BNB price go up a lot, so we should buy small amount this. Let me stop this. ETS is the 0.02 3 to 6. Okay, I add the ETS. Why? What happened? No loading. The three copy. No retransition. Sometimes all the transition add here. There's this market. Yeah, done. We back. Solana. Let me stop this. Now Solana 0.0. Solana is 220. Oh, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay. 4, 5, 6. I think I will transition. Mr. Nicholas, could you share me some fever on F1 last week?
F1?
Did you?
F1, I was in Malaysia.
Oh, in
Because
Malaysia.
there's just too many. How to
It's
say?
so crowded.
I'm not so much into the heat of this F1.
Yeah,
But the thing is, whenever F1 comes to Singapore, you'll always be a very, how
yeah,
would say, it's very hot because uh, and if it's such a hot weather, you're racing in such hot weather, right? So
yeah,
there's always a certain level of danger there. Yeah. So, but there's just only five. I think there's the track is about 5 kilometers. It's all around the city. Yeah.
yeah,
But you're just going there to watch, just to watch. Can't see much because it's just be like the thing's just going to zoom past in front of you, and you're just trying to take some video of the zooming past. Yeah,
yeah,
but a lot of people still go there, and a lot of tourists come because they are mostly part of the either part of the team or part of the advertisers, part of the organizers, whatever. So there are a lot of visitors in Singapore in the last week, and yeah, by now most of them probably gone back already, but the road is still closed. Yeah,
yeah.
I
The
think the
lost
road,
one.
because according to the information given, right? Yeah, they need to remove all the thing. Yeah, but I'm not too sure if there's another race. I'm not too sure. Yeah, but the thing is
Yeah,
that during Friday is like starting, right? On
yeah. That's
Friday
right.
itself, I went to so many people is crossing the custom.
Yeah,
So, well, all you guys are escaping the F1 or what?
yeah.
Yeah.
I hear
So
that
it's kind of
a
like,
lot of people they go to try to catch up the trend there, and they sell something or do some business
Yeah,
there. Thanks to the
definitely
F1.
a lot of influencers and business people, they'll be there, and mainly for the business. Yeah.
Yeah, and with the thanks to the F1, a lot of people can do the business route there because a lot of tourists um, joining. Yeah, and
Yeah.
the
It's the best promotion by
yeah.
any.
It's because I still remember when the F1 happening before 1 month. Yeah, on
Mm.
the road show, a lot of thing about F1. Yeah, it's make the people feel excited about it, especially some children. But when F1 happening, yeah, it's very noisy. Yeah, we also cannot sleep early when the uh, with the when the racing because nice race. Yeah, we also can hear the sound of the engine. Yeah, it's very strong. Yeah. Uh, I still remember I have a time to choice at the round we got the stand ticket. Yeah, just sit, just stand near there. Yeah, my ears is cannot hear the sound of the engine. Yeah, it's very terrible, and they sell the earplug. Yeah. Now I am doing uh, here's the DCA for the Bitcoin. Uh, yeah, 0867. Yeah, add the transaction for each. Sometimes we cannot add into it. Get the error. We need to redo again. I also don't know why this happening. This is due from the correct code. Yeah. Sometimes it had the error for this. We can add in. I also don't know why it's keep loading the base. Oh, let me do this. Yeah, add a transaction. I cannot add to. Yeah, when I click on the add transaction, it's not in. It not let me add in. Yeah, add the transaction.
Maybe they have changed some whatever.
How I had do it in the halfway. Yeah, now at the Bitcoin. Just now we do the other currencies. Okay, it's all right. But now with the Bitcoin, it's stuck here. Yes, add here. What is the add transaction? Yeah. Okay, successful. Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, here cost free here is that time. We have that time cost. Let me browse. Yeah. The fish not cost. Let me. Why they don't show this? Let me edit transaction here. Use market. Yeah. It must show that it must update it. Yeah. It must show the cost and something like this. Here's correct. And back. We done with the Bitcoin. We have three more left. Uh, three more left. 4.4.3, 4.4, 16, 4.1, 3.5, 3.8, 3.6. Okay, add. Now we add the Ripple 3.6. With $10, we only can buy 3.6 coin of Ripple at this current price. But we cannot add in, so we go into the add transaction menu here. Like here, we stop here, add transaction here. Why so steep? Add transaction is not shown up. Market add transaction. Yeah. Why Coinco let us do the hard work like this? I also don't know why. What happening? It's just the demo doing this, but it look like hard to do this. Only three crypto left, so we still not doing this. Yeah. Let me try again. I don't know why. What's happening with this one? In Cogeco, they also have the line. This stay sell from a scammer. Cogeco do not buy or sell crypto except for you. Yeah, this is just say that it is just a demo account. They don't do buy access for anything. Yeah, just a reference for us to see that if we do buy somewhere, we not here. So it's let us know that we do the DCA and we got the profits or something like this. Yeah. Here's Canada. Now we go to the next thing, the Canada. Oh, stop here. Next thing, the Canada, the user market. This is 10, 9, 11. Let's see, 11. 12. Okay, with the trial is okay. Now in the kernel we can add is very easy. With the ARP, you see add the ARP. ARP 28. Let me see 28. Oh, 25. Yeah, correct. In not ARP is still slow on this race. Yeah, we see that we transition. Yeah, add transition here. Let me stop here. Add transition 25 coin user market. Okay, not in. Still, yeah. Add transaction 25. Last time 24. Now today we get in. Then we can see how we buy. Okay, done. Today we have complete do the DCA by $10 each for the 8 random coin, 8 top random coin we choose. Yeah, especially now we get the report from the profit and loss of our investment. Yeah, totally current balance we invest 5,000, around 5,000, and we get the profit around 1,000. Yeah, it's a good move. Yeah, because this demo account we start on December 2024, and now we are in the half years, more than half years. Yeah, we have only 3 months left to see how far we go. Yeah, I also think it's a time for us to complete our live stream this morning. Yeah, We hope you have a good information. We share from the reliable source, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko, to discuss about the crypto market. Yeah, if you have any question, please let us know. Mr. Nicholas, you can share something before we complete the live stream.
All right, just a reminder to do your own due diligence on the coins you're investing in, and read up on things about it. And of course, hope you make some money. We see you in our next live stream.
Yeah, see you in our next